Recruitment and selection are two essential components of the hiring process in organizations. Recruitment. This is the process of actively identifying, attracting, and sourcing qualified candidates to fill job vacancies within an organization. It involves activities such as creating job postings, advertising positions, searching for potential candidates, and encouraging them to apply for the open position. Selection is the process of evaluating and choosing the most suitable candidates among the applicants who have applied for a job. It involves various stages, including screening resumes, conducting interviews, skill assessment, and reference checks, and other methods to assess a candidate's qualifications, experience, and fit for the job and the company culture. Together, recruitment and selection aim to find the right talent to meet an organization's needs and contribute to its success. These processes are crucial for building a skilled and effective workforce. Here are the key qualities for HR managers and recruiters in simple terms. Communication. They should be good at talking and listening to people, getting along. They need to be friendly and work well with others. Problem solving. Figuring out and fixing issues is important. Trustworthy. They must keep secrets and follow the rules. Staying organized. Keeping things in order is a must. Adapting. Being okay with change and learning new things. Knowing the rules. Understanding work laws is important. Looking at data. They should be good at understanding numbers and using them to make choices. Caring and listening. Showing they care about others and listening to their problems. Paying attention. Being very careful and not making mistakes. Time management. Managing their time well to get things done on time. Tech skills. Being comfortable with computers and softwares. Fixing conflicts. Helping people when they argue or disagree. Thinking ahead. Planning for the future and making smart choices. Team player. Being a good member of a group and working well with others. These qualities help HR managers and recruiters do their jobs effectively. If a qualified job applicant says no to a job offer, here's what you can do in simpler terms. Ask why. Talk to the person and ask politely why they didn't want the job. This helps you understand their reasons. Check the offer. Make sure the job offer, including the pay and benefits, is good compared to what others companies offer. If needed, see if you can make it better. Be nice. Thank the person for considering your job and let them know they are welcome to apply in the future. Being friendly is important. Learn from mistake. Think about how the interviews and hiring process went. Were there any problems that made the person says no? Try to fix those issues. Keep in touch. Stay in contact with the person and maybe they change their mind later or be interested in the other jobs. Look for patterns. If this happens a lot, talk to your current employees leaving the company to see if there are problems you can fix. Get better. Use what you learn from this situation to make your hiring process and company better. Remember, it's about being nice, learning from your mistake, and trying to do better next time.